Rodrigo Duterte and Alan Peter Cayetano campaigned in Cainta, one of the most vote-rich towns in Rizal with its 151,000 voters. Cainta is also the bailiwick of Mon Ilagan, the spokesman of Vice President Jejomar Binay. It's part of the balance of Luzon, a region where Duterte has fewer support compared to Grace Poe and Binay.
Cainta residents wait for hours under the unforgiving April sun. But when Duterte arrives, their fatigue seems to disappear. Duterte isn't letting his status as the new survey frontrunner get to his head.
No, I'm just hopeful. There is hope and there is hopeful ako. But I am not there. I ain't there.
Cainta's warm welcome is embodied by their mayor, Kit Nieto, who is endorsing Duterte for president. Nieto belongs to the Nationalist People's Coalition, which said it is supporting Grace Poe. Nieto is seeking re-election in the May elections.
Kami tumatanggap ng maraming kandidato rito. Pero pag pinagsalita namin kayo sa lobby, pakikinggan namin kayo. Pag pinagsalita namin kayo sa flagpole, pakikinggan namin kayo at pag-iisipan namin. Pero pag may kandidatong ginawa, ako mismo ang gumawa ng entablado, iboboto po namin kayo. Marapat lamang siguro, isang obligasyon ng isang ama ng bayan na ipaalam sa inyo ano ang aking personal na desisyon, na aking pagkakatiwalaan na magiging desisyon nyo rin. Ang aking Pangulo, Digong Duterte. Maraming salamat.
Duterte tells the thousands gathered that he will lead a clean government.
Ang grab ang korupsyon na galing na. Sabi nyo na, mahirap. If I am into the presidency, 1 month, kung walang maniwala sa akin, walang sumusunod, even if you give me 10 years, hindi ko talaga kaya. Pag upo ko, sabihin ko lang sa lahat, stop! Yan ang mensahe ko sa lahat sa gobyerno. Stop. 1 term, not 3 years, not even months. Pag upo ko, ang messaging ko is, stop. And yung from the president down to the last barangay, isang procedure. Tsaka may limit, 3 days.
He attacks Binay, who has also recently criticized him during campaign rallies.
Mr. Binay, Mr. Vice President, do not be offended. We are now campaigning for positions that are sacred to the Philippines. It must be a sacred covenant with the people. Kaya yung totoo lang at what is proper. Sabi ko, how can you be a president, election na yun, when you are corrupt? Marami kang kaso at nagagalit na sinabi ko, nandyan na sa korte yan sa Sandigan.
Cainta resident Rebecca Moreno says Duterte has converted her.
Dati po ma'am, Binay po kami. Pero nitong ano lang, Duterte na po. Bakit naman? Kasi po nakikita po namin yung pagbabago sa ating bansa po. Para sa mga anak po ngayon.
Nung nabulgar na yung mga hindi tamang mga ginawa nila sa pera ng bayan, siyempre, titignan ng tao ngayon kung sino yung in good records. Ito si Duterte gusto natin masubukan para maiba naman. Kasi una-una maganda yung sa drugs, lahat.
Can Duterte continue converting more voters into believers? P. Renada, Rappler, Cainta.